Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Futu Holdings, FUTU or Futu Holdings. So this is a very strong chart first of all, okay. Although we are looking at a daily chart, but the construct of this chart is very strong. So the way we are going to look at this stock is something like this. So the stock has been in a consolidation range, as you can see in the last 1 year or so, okay. So this was the range inside which the stock has been consolidating. So it has the range started from May 2019 and finally made a breakout at May 2020. So it's 1 year of consolidation, and from the lows, as you can see, from the lows of $8.2, it went up to $40, which is 395%. Okay, so this is a smart rally, as you can see here. Now the stock has again been inside a consolidation, it has made a breakout. Okay, so this is the trend. Okay, this is the trend. First understand this trend. There can be different probabilities. Okay, so here we are. So the upper side of the range is $41.5 and the lower side of the range is in between $27 and $29, which is your support level and your resistance level at 41.5. Now if I zoom this chart a bit, what you will see here, not 41.5, it is, I can say 40.96 or $41. Now as you can see here, the stock has actually moved above the previous high. Okay, or now 40.96 or $41 will be considered as a support, but there you need to wait and check this trend a bit. Why I am saying is, and so you have 40.96 or $41 as your first support, then you have your second support at 35, then you have 29 and 27. Okay, now if you observe this price action for the last trading session, you will see the stock went up till 43 and again it closed at $42. So there is a probability that it is now a breakout and the stock will start moving higher, but there is another probability, and for that the stock need to confirm its trend that it is indeed staying above $41. Otherwise, what you can see here, the way the pattern has formed, that it will breach 40.96 and it will probably fall down towards 35 or the lower end of the range. That's also a possibility or probability. So we need to check and see how the trend is behaving, whether although it's going on the upside or on the downside or in a consolidation, but whatever has to happen, it has to happen above 40.96 or $41. If it is happening, then the probability is higher that now it's a breakout and the stock will move on the higher end of the range. If it is not, then there is a probability that it will fall down. So it would be better if you are using a strict stop loss at $41 or 40.96. Okay, in that case you can make sure, because it's a very small stop loss and sometimes volatility can trigger the stop loss, but it depends upon your way to take the risk, or it's always depend upon the way you are trading or whether you are disciplined enough or not. Now if it is trading above $41, which it has been right now, and because if it is trading above $40, then it's a start of a new trend, and we can say that here it is trading above $41, So new trend uh, will be there. Now where does it leads to? That's the question. So the previous rise uh, gives us 394%. Now I will explain you this wave. This is the first wave and probably this is the second wave, and from the second wave you can expect the same amount of uprise or 394% upside in this stock as well. So the next probable target will be like $135 and near to that. Okay, and the condition is it has to sustain above $41 for the big trend to happen. Okay, so the trend is something like this. You have your big upside and then it is a correction, and then it has already started because this current price movement crossed its previous high, so the upside has already started, and if this is the case it will probably lead the stock toward $135 and then we will have a correction again and the fifth phase. So this is just a interpretation of the wave, but waves does not works very well with the stock as it has been with the indices. That's a different thing. But looking at the trend, there is upside, there is a consolidation or correction, and now with this breakout where I have already told you the stop loss will be strict stop loss will be $41 and the stock is now ready to move towards its big target. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.